So with all the cells and modules connected up together, I've put the original 24 kilowatt hour BMS in just to get some leaf spy readings of it and confirm that all is well. We're still waiting for the reflashed one to come back, so this one's just, I've not done it up tight, I've just put a couple of bolts in here to make sure it doesn't flap around. So yeah, using leaf spy here on the EV's enhanced OBD2 connector kit. We've got some live figures, which I will show you in a second. So here we have the leaf spy. Obviously I've set the main settings here. I'll just show you in main settings. I've got these settings set for BMS motor inverter. If I change this to be, say, 60 to 62 kilowatt hour, it actually detects that it's got the 24 kilowatt hour BMS in, and of course the BMS has the old state of health and HX data in it. We've got 3.6 volts average across all the cells, which you can see down at the bottom where it says min av max. So that's all good. It means obviously that state of charge is also complete nonsense because it's reading off a 24 kilowatt hour BMS and not the reflashed one, but it shows that we've got some really good cell balance, and it's just sitting here waiting for us to install the correct BMS and bolt the lid on with my reusable seal, which I'll show you. I'll try and remember to link it, but if not, you can look up seal in my YouTube channel and it will show you the preferred solution that I like to use.